to get a Polaris with a bad tumbler or missing keys. Picked this up off Amazon for $9.98. Super easy to change out. Got this nut. Pull the front off. What I did on this one, a guy brought it to me to work on. Didn't have the key, couldn't find the key or whatever. So I just checked it with a test light and a meter. Most Polairs, and I know on the snowmobiles for sure, all they're looking for is a closed circuit. So these two here are power. Like I said, you gotta check it out, make sure yours is that way. But just, we're closing the circuit on these two, timed together. That will make her run. You pull it out, no runski. A lot of the old snowmobiles, you could just unplug the ignition switch and away you went. So here's the old one we got, the actual Polaris one with no key. And this is the new one. For 10 bucks, I mean, oh my god, name worth looking for your key. Seems to be built pretty good. All epoxied in that. Looks watertight. Probably just as good as the factory, if not better. Yeah, simple plug and play. I'm gonna set this one here, I'll show you this. Or maybe I won't show you. There we go. I'll put that in there. Grab our new key. Just like so. There you go. About a 3-minute install. That's what we want. Oh, we got no lights. Why no lights? Probably because I'm not neutral. There we go. Yeah, the hardest thing was this here. You see it? They got that little plastic coating over that. Trying to get that shit off is a pain in the ass. And then the other hardest part, what I spent more time on and I still haven't found it, is where the fuck did I set the oil cap at? I wonder if Amazon has them.